Hey everybody, it's your girl Sayani Entertainment back with another video. So, as always, I was just thinking, कितने सारे लोग होते हैं जिन्हें गार्डनिंग का बड़ा शौक होता है, but they think कि उनके पास तो जगह ही नहीं है, घर छोटा है, बालकनी छोटी है, कैसे करेंगे? Well guys, don't worry. आज हम बात करेंगे कुछ ऐसे इनोवेटिव गार्डनिंग आइडियाज के बारे में जिससे आप अपने छोटे से घर में भी अपना एक ग्रीन कॉर्नर बना सकते हैं। अगर आपके घर में गार्डनिंग के लिए ज्यादा स्पेस नहीं है तो कुछ इनोवेटिव आइडियाज और टेक्निक्स का इस्तेमाल करके आप कम जगह में भी गार्डनिंग का मजा ले सकते हैं। यहाँ कुछ आइडियाज हैं जो आपके काम आ सकते हैं। एक्साइटेड? आई नो आई एम। तो चलिए बिना टाइम वेस्ट किए शुरू करते हैं। So guys, पहला idea is something I personally love. Vertical gardening. It's super trendy and super practical. Basically, you're using your walls for gardening. You can use wall planters, hanging planters, या फिर trellis. Wall planters में आप छोटी सी जगह में इतने सारे plants लगा सकते हो. Hanging planters से आपकी balcony या ceiling एकदम garden जैसे लगेगी. और अगर आपको climbing plants पसंद हैं, like money plant या beetle leaf, then trellis is perfect. Imagine your wall covered in green. कितना cool लगेगा, right? Next up, हम बात करते हैं windowsills की। अब हर विंडो के नीचे थोड़ी सी तो जगह होती ही है। Don't underestimate that space, guys. You can easily keep some small pots or herb planters there. Imagine सुबह सुबह चाय बनाए and fresh coriander or mint straight from your window. And the best part is, it brightens up your entire room. It's like a mini garden right in front of your eyes. Now this one is for all my tech-savvy viewers. Hydroponics, my friends, is the future. It's basically growing plants without soil. You heard that right? पानी में plants उगा सकते हो. It's perfect for small spaces and you can grow so many vegetables and herbs. Plus, it looks super cool. Imagine showing off your hydroponic setup to your friends. They'll be super impressed. This next one is for all my friends who believe in recycling and reusing. Container gardening. You can use old plastic bottles, cans, containers, anything. Just fill them with soil, plant your favorite greens, and voila, you have a garden. You can even use some cool, quirky containers to add some personality to your space. It's sustainable, it's creative, and it's super easy. Chapter 5. Balcony. Your own personal oasis. Now, अगर आप lucky हो and आपके पास balcony है, फिर तो क्या कहने? Even if it's a small balcony, you can create your own little haven. Hang some planters on the railing, put up a small garden shelf, and you're good to go. Balcony में sunlight भी अच्छी आती है, which is perfect for plants. Just imagine sipping your morning chai in your own little balcony garden. Total bliss. Chapter 6. Herbs at your fingertips. Indoor herb garden. Kids. Okay, so what if you live in a tiny apartment with literally no outdoor space? Don't worry, I've got you covered. Indoor herb garden kits are a lifesaver. These kits are designed to grow herbs indoors, even in low light conditions. They're compact, easy to maintain, and you can grow your favorite herbs right in your kitchen. Fresh herbs whenever you want. How cool is that? Chapter 7. Tiny gardens, maximum impact. Terrariums. And finally, for all my friends who love all things cute and miniature, we have terrariums. These are like tiny gardens enclosed in glass containers. They look absolutely stunning and add so much character to your room. Plus, they're super low maintenance. Just find the right plants, put them in your terrarium, and watch them thrive. It's like having a piece of nature right on your desk. So guys, those were some super easy and innovative gardening ideas for small spaces. I hope this video inspired you to start your own little garden, no matter how small your space is. Remember, Gardening is all about connecting with nature and bringing some greenery into our lives. आप अपनी available space और plants के requirements के हिसाब से इनमें से कोई भी option try कर सकते हैं. Happy gardening! And don't forget to subscribe to Siani Entertainment for more fun and informative videos. Until next time, keep it green, keep it growing. Bye!